No! No! Just want to know who's here. Oh, it ain't red. Anyway, hi, hello. It's March 7th. We're back at it again. Will Kix be here? No, definitely not. So it's not red. So it's not Flick or Sahara. I guess I will go check out who's in here real quick, see if I can guess who it is. That is Ken. I don't even need to check. Ken, the Ninja Chicken. Chicken Ninja? I don't know which one sounds better. I guess they both have their own different rings. Okay, there you go. There's Gulliver. That was easy peasy. Easy peasy. What a quick time. Great. Wonderful. Love to see it. I mean, I guess that's really it. There's not much else for me to do here. Still have to customize those, but I forgot on Monday. So, you know, I'll get around to it. But, yeah. I don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Not very hopeful, but you never know. Anyway, bye.